You know, I've started my YouTube channel a week ago, and it's so hard to speak with the camera, like openly, when you meet person for the first time, and you cannot be as open as you will be when you will become closer, and it feels the same. Probably I did 3 videos for now, and probably they are not perfect, but I hope it like small steps to become closer with you, and I hope it will work. Thank you for all your support, for subscribing, for likes, for everything. And let's see what will happen next.